Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial literacy with Acorns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate the financial literacy section. Tap on it to explore the resources available. Here, you will find various articles, videos, and tools tailored to enhance your understanding of financial concepts. Select a topic that interests you. Take your time to read or watch the material provided. After reviewing the content, return to the financial literacy section. Consider using the tools offered, such as budgeting calculators or savings plan templates. Next, go to the Invest tab. Review the investment options available through Acorns. If you're unsure about where to start, use the automated portfolio recommendations. Adjust your settings to align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, set a small, manageable investment amount to get started. Consider setting up Round UPS to automatically invest your spare change. Review your transaction history regularly to monitor your progress. Take advantage of the Acorns community features for additional learning. Engage with other users to share tips and seek advice. Finally, make a habit of revisiting the financial literacy section regularly. Keep updating your knowledge as your financial situation and goals evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.